welcome to Octane Addicts TV. We are here at the Southeast Gasser Gene Cromer Memorial. I am here with Steve Bright in this 64 Barracuda. Steve, tell me about this thing, man.
It's a 64 Plymouth Barracuda. We ran a 346 cubic inch small block Chrysler. It's got aluminum heads, 2 4-barrels. Run a high tower 4-speed transmission. Run a Black Magic clutch from Kel Aronson. You may know that name. Run a Dana 60 rear end. So it's all Chrysler. Run a 617 gear. It's just a lot of fun. It was the original 4-speed numbers matching car when we got it. It's still got a radio in it, and we like coming banging gears with the Southeast Gassers.
I love it, Steve. Tell me, what is it like after the burnout? You get ready, you get staged. What's going through your mind, and then what is it like to make a pass on this?
Well, you know, the adrenaline, you know, your heart's beating, you know, you just want to go, and you know, you take your time, you pull into the second bulb. I'm fortunate to have my daughter out here with me as my backup girl, so she makes sure I'm straight going down the track, and you turn that second bulb on and you just put it on the floor and let it eat. So
I love it. So is there any significance to the 64 Barracuda? Why did you pick that particular car, or is there any story?
I've been a Mopar guy, you know, for the last 40 years. I've had probably a dozen Barracudas over the year. We were looking for a car. This one popped up. It was a really nice rust-free original car. It's still got its original floor pans and everything in it. And I've just been a Barracuda guy. We're building a Barracuda for my daughter right now, so she'll be out here hopefully by July. to run with her dad, and we're just excited to be here. So.
Well, we're definitely looking forward to that, and we'll definitely keep an eye on Steve and his daughter. Second generation?
Second generation.
I love it. Stay tuned, folks. You're watching Octane Addicts TV.
Gene Cromer put me a her shifter in it, and that solved my problem.
I put a lot of her shifters in.
Oh, God.
It's Spark-O-Matic shifters, those.
Yeah.
Did a lot of those then. I just did regular automotive work, you know, back then. Anything to make some money.
Yeah, man.
And I like to run a Ford because you're always on the dog.
Made a lot of people mad when he had a 427 in a Chevrolet.
We're back here at Octane Addicts TV, and I am here with Jeff Madden, and he's got one bad to the bone Hollywood 55. Jeff, tell me about this thing.
55 Chevy, A gas car. Used to run B gas. We switched to A gas this year. New car, new drivetrain, so trying to get it under control and see if we can go A to B with it.
So you've obviously made a class change and a lot of parts change, it sounds like, to become an A-gas guy. What was the decision in the off-season to make that move?
Just want to move up in the class and be up at the top with everybody else and see if we can put it in the circle, that's all.
So how long have you been running with the Southeast Gassers?
This is the 4th year for me. So 4 years. Went to one race and got hooked and then had to build a car and been doing it since.
So is it safe to say, so you've been racing for 4 years, or that's when you got the bug after you went?
Went to one race, the finals in Greer, and got hooked at that race and bought a car and started next season with a new car. I had a Chevy 2. We kind of lost it in Indiana, destroyed it down at the big end, and so this is the second car for us, and just come out here to see what we can do.
Well, we're out here at the Gene Cromer Memorial. We're here with Jeff. We're gonna sit there. He said he's moving up classes this year. I'm excited about it. I know he is. Can't wait to see this Hollywood 55 in action.
And it takes work and dedication to do it.
That's
You
right.
going if you're gonna win, you got to go to win.
Just right.
You got to work at it, and that's got to be your number one thing.